Okay, guys, let's move on to the topic of the day. Do you think playing video games is good for kids?
Yes. In my opinion, I think video games are really good for kids. Like, for example, Roblox. Roblox, for the people that know 99 Nights, it shows you how to survive in the forest. And let me think. Cool, what else?
I kind of just think it makes you addicted.
Bloxburg makes you how to build, teaches thank you very much. Teaches you how to build, and it shows you how adults work. Like it gives you a role play of what adults do, basically. So I think yes.
Change the age. Could be baby,
I know.
toddler, a teenager, or adult.
And I think it's really helpful also because it makes you can be anything in Roblox. So I think Roblox is really good.
It depends on which game it is.
So what game?
So, example, like, steal a brain rot. Nothing helps. It's not really helpful. It just teaches you how to
gives you
steal.
an imagination.
Like, that's
basically.
not really a helpful game. Some games are not helpful, but some games can teach you. But I would say mostly games are just for fun.
Taji, what about you?
I also agree with Serena. I think that certain games like help, and some games are kind of like just not helpful. Like, for example, Steal a Brain Rot is like not like the best game or stuff, and like I think like like she said, you know, Bloxburg can help you learn how to build, and 99 Nights can help you like, you know, survive in the forest.
So a real life walking deer.
I know, but it still helps you learn how to survive, how to cut trees, how to get animals, and how to make your own fire.
But mostly, my opinion, I think games are not that helpful and just for like fun.
Well, in my opinion, I think that Roblox, there just has to be a limit where kids can't do what they want to do, because online is not safe. That's what parents say.
I mean, kind of not, because someone got kidnapped
Sure.
because of that. I've seen it on the news.
You watch the news?
Okay, it's
Really?
my mom watches it, and I come in and I see it and I hear.
Okay, so like I was saying, I say that Roblox there just needs to be a limit where that kids are safe, but also they have fun, because why they made an app for it if kids can't have fun on it, and it's just for it to be safe. So like Bloxburg, I played that like 24/7, and yeah.
So what are some ways kids can stay safe on the internet?
They can stay safe by like, if like a guy, like let's say you're in a game, right? Like Barry Avenue, right? It's like a role play game. And they say, "Oh, hi, what's your name in real life? Can I get your phone number?" That's the type of stuff you need to stay away from, because there's like creeps out there, and you don't want to mess with those type of stuff.
Yeah, because it can happen a lot, and I think to be safe, like, you know how there's like a lot of stuff that, you know, like the chat thing?
Yeah.
Voice chat, I have it. And it has the voice limit. I mean, well, not the limit, the
Face
verification. And the verification. And I think, I don't know why people are complaining about it, actually.
Yeah,
I think it helps.
Basically, let's say you're playing with your little cousin, or what about you?
Just chat. But like, I like voice chat, but sometimes it's not safe to use because a lot of people been talking.
But that's why voice chat has a limit. Like, if you say a bad word, it's gonna suspend you. And if you say something inappropriate in the chat, it's gonna ban you from Roblox.
Oh,
that's what I'm saying. That's
it's
why
gonna ban you from
it can.
the game.
No, it's gonna
Or
ban you
Roblox.
from Roblox and completely.
Yeah, but I'm saying that chat thing can actually help. So, what do you think?
I think that like you should like set limits to like certain games. So like, you know when to take a break in case something bad happens, or like just like Megan said, if like somebody asks for your number or something, you could like tell a parent or a trusted adult about it. So like, you know, like nothing bad could happen, or you could report the person.
Yeah, but like
I understand, but like if they ask you for your number and you or the person actually puts it, it's gonna like hashtag it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
That's why Roblox is a good game.
Yeah, I agree with you.
But
'Cause they-
sometimes it gets annoying.
But
And
the
especially,
new
no, like what? Wait, I'm sorry for cutting you off. But like I was saying before about the chat thing, it's just annoying because, like, let's say, oh, I want to play with Serena, but we're not in the same age,
group.
not in the same age group. So if I say hi, she won't see it, and she will just see other people texting.
I think I'm in the same age group because my face looked like I was like 13.
Well,
it-
I'm not in the same.
No, like so Roblox has this new thingy
There
that
is
they
a whole bunch
No,
of
I know what you're talking about.
Why are you
I changed. I don't put my real age. I don't like doing that on stuff.
But
So I just
basically-
put a fake age.
But basically, Roblox has this new thing where you have to verify you have an adult or a parent with you, and they're asking for a passport, a ID, a driver license, and your face. Just to have voice chat.
I never got asked for that. I did nothing.
Then
Are you
they'll
have voice
just-
chat? Oh, well, my
I did
age group is
nothing.
18 to 20.
My age group is
Yeah, same.
my
that's
age,
what my
yeah,
mom
my age group is like. I don't have an age group that gets anything. I just got anything. I didn't do any of that, and I still.
Is your Roblox updated?
I don't know.
How much time do you guys spend on gaming or like Roblox? Any game like Fortnite, Call of Duty, anything?
Call of Duty.
Go ahead.
I usually spend like 2 to like 4 hours on like Roblox and stuff. So
A day.
Me personally, my mom said, "Oh, Megan needs to get off the iPad and stay out her room and stuff." But I stay there like the whole day on Roblox, literally.
Yeah, I spend like 20 hours on Roblox.
Am I the only kid who doesn't like play Roblox anymore?
Yes, you are.
I barely play any. The only game.
Just her press.
Okay.
Actually,
I think I don't like months.
played Roblox that much now that I'm thinking about it. But I do play Roblox a lot.
Like I don't even know how
These
much I
past
play now.
These past few weeks I haven't because
Yeah.
because you guys know the fast test is coming up. State
my
test.
gosh,
Oh,
Yada
don't
yada.
even talk
Yada
about
yada.
it.
Chromebooks.
Nobody wants the fast.
Minutes. Snacky time.
Like what? I want to go back to pre-K when we saw.
Yes.
No, for
Well, I didn't go to pre-K.
I wish we
Okay, there was
could-
COVID at the
I
time.
wish we
I
had
didn't go.
sleep time
What?
in school.
Wait, what?
Sleep time.
Especially fourth and fifth for elementary. We're tired. We're
I'd
doing
be
the
so
most work.
tired.
What? 6th grade? Y'all be
No, I'm saying in elementary.
Well, she's in 7th grade. What do you?
She got
So,
the
Melissa, can you tell us how you feel
Survive,
about?
bro. Like it's so hard, and the amount of homework you get is actually horrendous.
Yes.
So do you guys have? So do you? So like, do you guys have recess? Recess?
Nope.
No.
We don't get no recess.
Their PE is a recess.
Exactly.
I know.
I might be cooked.
And their lunch and the recess. The lunch,
Some days we don't have recess because the fast test is coming up.
their lunch in their PE or recess.
Yeah, and when I'm in my school in 7th grade, you don't get to do PE. You only do it like 6th grade.
I hope that's not in every school.
Like for like you get to choose your electives, so you get to choose like art, like drama.
Oh, then never mind because I don't like PE.
In my school, there's like art, drama,
I'm in drama.
leader in me, Spanish.
Yeah, me too.
What else? There's that one.
What's leader in me?
It's basically like, leader in me is like you know how to be a leader and stuff. They talk about leader stuff in honor society.
Oh, like leaderships. That's what it's called at my
But I have
school.
a
That's what it's
quick
called at my
question
school.
for all you guys. What is something you guys want to change and add in the classroom, in your classroom, or in the school?
Nap time.
Yeah.
For nap time.
Like any
snack time. I'm
any
so
type of
tired.
phone.
add or
Like, huh?
add to school?
Yeah. Like,
What would you add?
like, honestly, phones or like any type of electronics or like recess.
I would add
There's
snack
no
time.
Electronic. Wait, why did
They said no electronics. So why am I using a computer?
No.
For real, you said no
I don't
electronics.
use a computer. I use an iPad that has a case that's a computer.
Yes, literally.
And
Some iPads come with like just the screen and stuff.
Oh yeah, and the keyboard. Yeah, I have
Yeah,
that.
that's what I use.
But I would want to add like snack time or a nap time.
Me too.
Even though I'm in elementary, I'm tired.
I would add nap time.
And what I
Elementary is literally nothing. I wish I could go back to elementary,
Huh?
but I'm stuck
Literally.
here in sixth
I mean,
grade.
it's
Fourth grade
yeah.
is really hard.
Okay, stop playing.
I don't care.
Stop
That's
playing.
it.
It's so easy.
7th grade, like, it's so hard.
Don't even start. I already know. It's gonna be torture.
Especially like algebra, it's not fun. Like, and the amount of homework you would get for the topic is crazy. Like, it's so hard.
Oh, good thing I might be homeschooled.
Yeah, but you still have to do those hard stuff. You know that, right?
Yeah, like she gets to sleep all day, then wake up at anonymous time and just go on Zoom and just be like, oh, hey guys, bye guys, I'm going back to sleep.
Yeah, I might be homeschooled for middle school. Yay!
And reading, honestly, reading is pretty easy. But in 7th grade, you have to take a civics test,
Huh.
a science test,
What?
like a big science test,
Huh?
What?
and I think writing test, 3 writing tests.
Writing, like you have to write, like
Yes, like
Yeah.
you're writing a story, like how people write.
I just did my writing test, and it
And,
was so tiring.
well, that was a great conversation.
Join us every Sunday at 4 p.m. on the Clear Shot Film Studios YouTube channel. Don't miss it. It's gonna be amazing.